Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our aluminum two-sided briefcase tag.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our briefcase luggage tag. It is 1.75 inches by 3.5 inches. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design in Photoshop, and we used our Sawgrass printer to print. And I did go ahead and put front and back on this. So we're just going to trim it up and get it ready.
And working with this item, just in case, always be sure to check for a protective film that could possibly be on this item.
All right, and you can see we have a great bleed area. We did use the template. Another bonus to the template is it does have a safe area. So it is gonna show you where this hole is, so you can make sure you keep the pertinent artwork out of that area.
Yes. Okay, so we are going to be using a 9x12 press today, and we are going to be using a piece of silicone. We are going to be placing our image face down. And today we are pressing at 400 degrees for 55 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are almost there. We do have our thermal gloves on to protect our hands from the heat, and we are going to remove the paper immediately and just let it cool. Normally, since it's aluminum and it's thin, it does take only a few seconds.
Okay, once it is cooled to the touch, you can go ahead and put your back image on. Same process as the first, check for film and then tape it into place.
Thank you. Okay, so we are going to press again with the image face down. And then for 400 degrees for 55 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are done. So again, we are going to remove the paper immediately. And we do have our thermal gloves on still, as it is a smidge hot, and just we're gonna let it cool. Okay, so now you have one personalized luggage tag. We also have loops online that you can check out as an accessory to add on separately. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
Again, these are also good for bag tags, luggage tags, kids' backpacks, just about anything to add a little personalization and keep them, from getting lost.
Yes. So please be sure to check out our templates as well as instructions online at coastalbusiness.com, and we will see you next time.